Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting a research poster titled The Role of Parental Involvement in Student Academic Performance, a Systematic Literature Review. Abstract. This poster presents a systematic literature review examining how parental involvement affects student academic performance in Indonesia, based on studies published in Sinta Index Journal. The findings show that active parental involvement through guidance, motivation, and collaboration with school positively influence student achievement. However, the impact varies depending on socioeconomic and cultural factors. Introduction. Parental involvement has long been recognized as a key factor in shaping student academic outcomes. In the Indonesian context, the importance of family engagement is increasingly emphasized, especially as education faces challenges due to technology and social shift. Several Sinta Index studies reveal that parents act of motivator, facilitator, and advisor in shaping student learning behavior. However, the degree and activeness of involvement depend on family background, parental education, and school context. Methods. The review followed the PRISMA guidelines and focused on studies published between 2020 and 2024. The literature search was conducted using the Sintas database with keywords like parental involvement and academic performance. Inclusion criteria include 1. Quantitative studies from Indonesia. 2. Focus on primary or secondary education. 3. Clear measurement of both parental involvement and academic outcomes. Data were coded based on research design, sample characteristics, types of involvement, and key findings. Thematic analysis was used to identify recurring patterns and research gaps. Finding. The review found a consistent positive correlation between parental involvement and student academic performance across various education levels in Indonesia. Key forms of involvement include 1. Homework, home support, helping with homework, providing learning, research, and encouraging study habits. 2. Teacher communication, regular updates and collaboration between parents and educator, motivation and guidance. Parents acting as motivator and advisor in creating a positive learning environment. However, the strength of this relationship varies. For example, parents with higher socioeconomic status are more likely to engage effectively. In the context of online learning, the relationship remains complex due to limited time, lack of resources, and differing parental roles. And conclusion. Parental involvement is a significant predictor of student academic success in Indonesia, as supported by Sinta Index studies. Effective engagement strategies tailored to local context can enhance educational outcomes. School and policymakers should develop inclusive programs to support families, particularly those facing socioeconomic barriers. First, the process begins by identifying the key factor of parental involvement. This involvement can take several forms, such as 1. Involvement at home, for example, supervising and assisting with homework. 2. Improvement at school, such as communicating with teacher or attending school event. Support for online 3. Support for online learning, which includes guiding children during distance learning activities. Next, parental involvement support various learning approaches, include face-to-face, online, and hybrid learning models. From here, there are several mechanisms through which parents influence their children's education, namely 1. Providing emotional support, 2. Offering academic assistance, 3. And consistently monitoring and guiding their children. All these mechanisms have a positive impact on students' academic achievement. This positive effect has been observed in various educational institutions, such as Mindanao State University in the Philippines, senior high school in Indonesia, and in education systems around the world. In conclusion, parental involvement has been proven to positively affect student academic achievement through consistent support and engagement, whether in face-to-face, online, or hybrid learning environment. That is my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.